one of Dundee's oldest tennis courts, looks set to be demolished following its sale. The future of Craigmuir Tennis Club on Dalkeith Road had been unclear for a number of months. But now a spokeswoman for agents J. Craigie Community Sports Hub owned the courts and revealed last year it was looking to sell the site. Hub Secretary George Allan confirmed that money raised from the sale will be reinvested into facilities at Baxter Park. The sale has been criticized by Craigie community residents' group, who said residents should have been consulted.